I am Purna Shrestha, who was the inventor of the first aeroplane. Wright, Wright brothers were the first airplane inventor. Although Wright was born in Indiana on April 16, 1867. Orville Wright was born in Dayton, Ohio, 1871. Their father's name was Milton Wright, born on 1917. Wright brothers invented first airplane in 1903 in Dayton, Ohio, America. First, they tried to make the paper plane and threw the paper plane in the air. Balloon hung on the top of the bladder. They were inspired by the birds to make airplane. The brothers planned the battery on both arms and the back to fly the plane. They tried the battery with glider, which failed. But that glider 5 and 6 feet only fly and fell down and crashed also. Then Wright brothers made flying engine. They spent many years to make the flying engine. After that, they changed to fuel. Fuel was cheaper than battery. Then the flying engine was put in the middle of the glider and they handled the machine. They were able to fly from one country to another country. People of Germany were inspired with the flying glider in the sky. They got courage to make airplane shaped like current plane. Then the Wright brothers copied the birds in the sky flying. The head of the bird was the pilot's cockpit was shaped like head of the bird. Body of the bird was seats for passenger, and the last of the bird was the flight attendant. They, they also needed the leg of the plane for the takeoff and the landing on the ground. They had experienced many bicycles since childhood, so they used to sell many bicycles, the bicycle in the plane's legs for the takeoff and the landing on the ground. They fulfilled their lifelong wishes for making airplane. Shekhar Babuji was the first inventor of airplane in 1895 in India. Shekhar Babuji used to fly his plane flying on another country, but British government was ruling India. Therefore, he was not given the chance to make the airplane. After that, China, Japan, London, Australia, and many other countries also made airplane. They made many kinds of planes, such as helicopter, military aircraft, cargo airplane, and a private airplane also. Cargo airplane carries train, helicopter, and a container. Private Boeing 787 is a luxury private jet. There are one private room, dining, living, and guest room, and with double shower, etc. Nowadays, we are lucky to sit in the plane, watching TV, and having delicious food, and flying in the sky, just like bird flying in the sky. But all these plans were made becomes of Wright brothers of USA. Wright brothers were the first inventor of the airplane. Thank you for listening to Wright brothers. Were the whole first European inventor. Please give me rights, subscribes and comments also. Thank you.